What's that?
That's right, I'm outside by myself. Come outside right now. All outside niggas get down with it. I used to hate to be the last one to get picked up. Papa working OT, hold my breath like I got the hiccups. Need another reason to be reckless, need some liquor. Bagging bitches off the MySpace. She shot your boy a picture, I'ma put her in a bulletin. Ashy black hooligan, you angry for the moment. Post the weekend, we'll be cool again. You posting, I'll be cold to me. The summer coming soon, my friend. Wonder if I catch you smoking cigs and drinking booze again. Up at the beach though, everybody acting up. I'm not the nigga, said I wasn't acting black enough. How you figure, girl, your track's fire, but you lacking love. Yeah, that's the stuff. Show enough. The kids that once were now grown-ups. They all around the way and won't slow up till we outside looking like owners. That's right, I'm outside by myself. Come outside right now. All outside niggas get down with I need help, love, that's right. I'm outside by myself. Come outside right now. All outside niggas get down with I need help. Twice so tells, y'all ignore that part. I found light, still a lost boy at heart. I grind up ganja with my thumbs take part in the session. It's funny how we still up in the dark. Inside the hut, though, won't you tell me what you see, though? Baby, I'm a king if you never took a Nefo. One, I wonder if you're trying to venture from the needle. It's a trap, wonder why my people's counting on me for. And you need better when you gonna get off of him. Booty fatter than the pastor's pockets after offering.